So in this video, I'm just going to show something that I figured out in terms of the Boss RC505. Now, when I first had been using the Boss RC505, it actually worked just fine unless it was slaved to the MIDI clock. So what I wanted to do was have this be the master clock, the Deluge. So I tried a lot of different things, and I think I figured out, and this might work for you guys, just people that just have an RC505, maybe not even a Deluge, but something else, and it's still having problems slaving. So what I figured out, at least on my end, is the following. So this is plugged in the MIDI out into the MIDI in into the RC505. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on these MIDI tracks here. So you're going to hear some MIDI sounds. Now what I'm going to do is record my voice, and I'm going to count numbers, and I'm going to do them slow so you can hear it when it artifacts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do is mute the track here, and the MIDI's still going to be sending out. So I'm going to mute it, and we're going to turn up what I recorded. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to turn off the MIDI and see if the artifact's still going through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to turn it back on. So they're on, but the audio is muted so you can hear. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to clear that track. Now what I'm going to do is completely disable the MIDI, and we will just record. I'm just going to make a quick little beat here. Okay, so this is a sound that's not sending any MIDI out. Let's record. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No artifacts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So no artifacts. Let's turn on that MIDI signal from the Deluge. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this has shown you that if you don't send MIDI through it, it actually works fine as a slave, at least on my end. So what I did was I routed this through my Mio 10, which is a MIDI router. All I did was I disabled everything except for the MIDI clock. So it's possible, in my opinion, it looks like that if you send notes, MIDI notes, into the RC505, it's going to artifact unless you find a way to filter out just the MIDI clock. So I'm not here, I can't actually do tech support for people that are trying to get this to work, but I think possibly Roland or Boss need to know about this, because this is a pretty big issue, especially if you want to add the RC505 or 202 to your rig. So I can't really give out tech support on this. I'm just sharing what helped for me. So if you can find a way to filter out everything except for the clock, hopefully maybe it will work the same way as it is on my end, which is artifact free. And once you get that going, it is awesome.